Good freaking morning, everybody. Hunter here. So, yesterday I started the process on making the video for the Cadillac to clean it up, wash it up. As you can see, this thing is gorgeous. My brother actually showed up yesterday, and we went ahead and he polished it while I was working on the do car, so he took care of all that stuff for me. Very thankful to have somebody like that come over and just jump right in and take over. So he did a great job on it. As you can see, the car looks amazing. It is shining. This is the first wash of the year that this car got, so not too bad. We didn't really mess with the interior as much. That'll be coming later on, but I'm gonna go ahead and get some stuff moved around. We're gonna pull the car outside, and I'll give you guys a little bit of a before and after on this stuff. Like I said in the clips that I shot yesterday, we're just burning up our stock. So we have a bunch of detailing stuff that we just we buy something, we try it, and then we buy something different, try it. But these are some of the products that we used. I'm not going to get into full details on each product, but I might be able to show you guys a little bit of stuff in that. But we have a big box on the floor here. That is for another project that we're going to start today. So today is my daughter's birthday, and the wife and we went ahead and got them like a little clubhouse deal. So we're going to be doing some garage stuff today. However, it's not with the cars. But we do got to move cars around. This has got to go in the pole barn, and then the do car is coming back over here, which we have some updates on that as well. So when I can get around to it, I will shoot some video for that as well. We've been non-stop busy trying to get the do car ready. As you can see, we got water pumps, we got parts, we got tools, we got everything laying all over the shop right now. It's been an absolute war trying to get this car ready for car show season, which kicks off in 2 weeks. So I think we got a good baseline, and the do car can head out. This thing is actually clean enough where if we wanted to, we can run this car if anything doesn't go correct. So yeah, we've been busy trying to do what we can do and get everything squared away. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, and I'm gonna put this in with a bunch of clips that I took yesterday of washing this along with the after. So once I pull the car out, I'll get some clips of that and show you guys all that stuff. But again, I want to thank you all for watching our videos, hanging out with us. It's been fun. We don't shoot as much content as I want to. I've been kind of like, I don't know, in the moment, I just come out and I start working on stuff, and then I forget to record, or I want to record, I'll record half of the stuff. It's just a mess. But we got a good start. So 2026 season, I'm excited for. We got some cool car shows that we want to go to, events, stuff that I want to do there. And yeah, we might even have some racing. I'm excited for that. And we have actually, yesterday we had enough time in the day, and it was nice out yesterday. We actually got the Camaro up and running. Got new plugs in it, got wires on it, fresh gas, fresh coolant. This thing it still needs a lot of work, but we will have it hopefully at the strip doing some passes with it. Like I said, it is a V6 car, so we're not expecting big numbers. However, we do need some baseline numbers for it. And I'm curious, a 95 V6 Camaro, how does it relate to a 2010 V6 Cadillac? I don't know, but we'll definitely check all that stuff out and get everything dialed in with it. And yeah, so like I said, guys, thanks again for watching our videos, and hit that like, subscribe. We got tons of stuff in store, and yeah, you guys have a great freaking day and enjoy the video. Peace, guys. Alright guys, so today for the wash and wax on the Caddy, we're just going to use the Meguiar's, the Ultimate Wash and Wax. It's something that was on the shelf. I'll show you guys. We're going to run this through the foam cannon as well. But we have a bunch of stuff that we don't really use. We all kind of found something that we like, and then this stuff just sits on a shelf. So instead of buying a bunch of new stuff all the time, I think I'm just going to try to burn all this stuff up, use it up. We got compounds, degreasers, you know, wheel, tire shine, all that stuff. And we'll just use it up. So, and then side note, I might add it into another video or make another video for some of the stuff that we got going on today for the due car. So we got a few things we got to tweak on this. You know, we've been doing a lot of work off the camera, and now we're kind of just final touches on that stuff. So we'll get all that straightened around. I'll get you guys involved on that as well. But like I said, that might be a whole different video from this one. So we got to get this thing washed. We got to get it cleaned up. She looks terrible. It hasn't been washed at all this year. This thing, I ended up pulling it out last week, washing it up, and as you guys can see, she's shining. So yeah, that's that. We're gonna go ahead and do jump into the video, and then I'll do some time lapse of this stuff. So appreciate you guys watching all of our videos and commenting, subscribing. TikTok guys, I appreciate each and every one of you guys as well. So it's been super fun, really enjoying this stuff. Haven't been able to get out here and do it enough for you guys, but it has been cold in Michigan. So whenever we get a decent day where I can come out here and create content, or, you know, just kind of let you guys know what's going on, I want to try to do that much more. So hit that subscribe button if you guys haven't already. Appreciate you guys watching the videos, and enjoy.